Revelation chapter 21 unveils the dramatic resolution of the biblical narrative, beginning with the vision of a new heaven and a new earth. The passing of the former creation signals the end of the fallen order, where the sea, a biblical symbol of chaos and separation, is no more. This transition sets the stage for the descent of the New Jerusalem, described not merely as a city, but as a bride adorned for her husband. This imagery emphasizes a permanent, intimate union between the Creator and His people, shifting the focus from distance to presence. Central to this chapter is the divine declaration from the throne. Behold, the dwelling place of God is with man. This promise represents the climax of salvation history, marking the end of alienation. The text explicitly outlines the transformation of the human experience, as God personally wipes away every tear from their eyes. Death, mourning, crying, and pain are relegated to the past, fundamentally reframing the human condition as one defined by wholeness rather than suffering. The architectural imagery of the New Jerusalem serves to emphasize the city's perfection, holiness, and accessibility. The city is depicted as having the glory of God, glowing with the radiance of precious stones like jasper and clear crystal. Its massive walls and 12 gates, guarded by angels and inscribed with the names of the tribes of Israel, suggest a place of security and historical continuity. By describing the city as a perfect cube, a shape associated with the Holy of Holies in the tabernacle, the text conveys that the entire community now exists within the direct presence of God. A striking feature of the city is the notable absence of a temple. In the ancient world, the temple was the designated localized space for accessing the divine, but in the New Jerusalem, the Lord God Almighty and the Lamb are its temple. This design choice highlights that religious intermediaries and restricted sacred spaces are no longer necessary, as the barrier between the finite and the infinite has been completely removed. The divine presence is now ubiquitous, defining the very environment of the eternal city. The description continues with the light of the city, which requires no sun or moon because the glory of God illuminates it. This indicates that the source of life and truth is directly accessible, rendering created sources of light obsolete. The gates remain perpetually open, signifying a state of absolute peace and safety where no darkness or evil can enter. Only those whose names are written in the Lamb's Book of Life may enter, underscoring that the foundation of this eternal reality is established through the redemptive work of the Lamb. Ultimately, Revelation chapter 21 offers a profound vision of cosmic restoration. It does not speak of an escape from the physical world into an ethereal realm, but rather the redemption and renewal of creation itself. By depicting a world where divine justice, intimate communion, and absolute healing characterize existence, the chapter provides the final answer to the groaning of humanity. It remains a powerful testament to the hope of a reality where every broken element of life is restored to its intended, glorious purpose.